Under the sun, a pickup truck cruising by down this dirt road, with a tale to tell and a journey to share, inviting friends to take a wild, carefree ride. Through the streets we cruise with no care, engine roars, memories share, tales of adventures under a golden sky, vibrant and bold like the sunset high. We're cruising under the sunset's glow, with a truck that's hot and really wants to go. Adventure calls and we answer loud. In this classic truck we find our proud. Past the fields, past the town, memories of times when we were young. The wind in our hair, the world at our feet. This truck is our bond, our true beat. Sunset sky, where the dreams take flight. With the truck we chase the night. Stories of love, stories of fun. And this old truck we find